Fiona.
Hi, Fred. Fred, what do you feel like doing today?
Let's have Bordy make an airplane for us today.
That's a great idea. Let's go to Bordy the board.
To the board!
To the board. To the magical Bordy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagination comes alive.
Hello, Fred and Fiona. What would you like me to draw today?
I have an idea. Bordy, can you draw an airplane?
That's not an airplane. An airplane is a vehicle. That's a horse.
Well, that's not an airplane either. That's a boat.
How do you know?
Because an airplane has wings.
Wings, huh? I think we can get an airplane. Are you ready, Fred?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Go! An airplane!
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right!
Hey, Fiona, what's wrong? You look sad.
This is a nice airplane, but how do airplanes travel? I want to see how they go.
Wait, I know.
An airplane on the ocean? Airplanes don't travel on the ocean.
An airplane on a road? That's not right.
I think we can get it right this time. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right!
Oh no, the airplane is gone.
That's okay. Bordy can help us find the airplane again.
First we saw an airplane traveling on the ocean, but that's not right. Boats travel on the ocean.
Then we saw an airplane traveling on a road, but that's not right. Cars travel on roads. That's funny.
But we finally got it right. Airplanes travel through the sky, far above the ground. Very good, Fiona.
Thank you, Fred. Not too bad yourself.
Goodbye, Fred and Fiona. See you next time.